Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now that we have understood how the forward path generates predictions, let us move to the central idea behind backpropagation. The purpose of backpropagation is to answer two very important questions. The first question is, how do we measure the error made by the neural network? Once the network produces an output, we need a mathematical way to compare the predicted output with the actual target value. This comparison is performed using a loss function. The loss function tells us how good or how bad the prediction is. A smaller loss means the prediction is closer to the actual target, while a larger loss indicates that the network needs to improve. The second question is even more important. Once we know the error, how do we update thousands or even millions of weights efficiently? Remember, every weight in the network contributes differently to the final prediction. Therefore, we need to compute how sensitive the loss is to each individual weights and bias. This collection of sensitivities is called the gradient. The gradient tells us which weights should be changed, in which direction they should be changed, and how much they should be changed to reduce the loss. For classification problems, neural networks commonly use a softmax activation function in the output layer, together with a cross-entropy loss function. This combination provides a smooth and effective way to measure prediction error and compute gradients during training. In the upcoming slides, we will learn how these gradients are computed efficiently using the chain rule of calculus, which is the mathematical foundation of the backpropagation.